I was spawned into this world with nothing but the clothes on my back and legs and feet. I actually wanted to be naked, but the clothes wouldn't come off, so whatevs. I discovered so many mysteries, so many things that were just physically impossible. But then again, who decides what impossible is in this world? Not me. I never really believed in the gods, Mojang, Blizzard, EA, Valve, none of them. The ancient tome or terms of agreement manuscript had all the answers, but it was way too long, so I skipped it. And as the sun went down, there was still so many things I didn't understand about this world. All I knew for sure was that this entire day, this entire world was just beautiful. It was perfect. It was mine. I had no idea what was to come at night. Stick, go. I will continue to survive with no purpose. I will continue to exist but not live. What is life with no purpose? Why are we here? What were we spawned in this world to do? How did I know that I was going to be interrupted? These are all questions I'll never know. But maybe, just maybe,